Cool over to Speedokote Refinish Network. Alright guys, it is that time. We're at the new shop. We got our first project right behind us. It's not a bad IS 250 Lexus. Basically a Toyota for people that want to flex, as I like to say. Not a bad car though, not any major rust. We do have a very ugly front bumper that's seen some better days. We already got a painted one. The goal for today is simply to fix up this front end. We got a really messed up front bumper. We have some headlights that are extremely faded. We have some fog lights that are extremely faded. If we can get those things sorted out, this car will look 10 times better, and that's what we're going to work on. Now, some of these luxury cars, Lexuses, higher-end Toyotas, Hondas, a lot of new cars especially, they're going to have a lot of these plastic covers, which sometimes can make taking off the simplest parts like bumpers, headlights, a nightmare. But this one, luckily, it's got some mileage on it and some years on it, so it looks like it's been apart a couple times. So we're going to go ahead and start by taking off this plastic cover piece, and then there should be about 2 clips here and 2 clips here. That should take care of the top end, and we'll start working underneath. Before we go putting on the brand new bumper, we're going to go ahead, we're going to keep it off for now, and we're going to work on these headlights. We're going to get these headlights restored, get those cleaned up. Then we're going to go ahead, put the fog lights back in, pop the bumper rack back on, and see how she looks. It's a good idea if you get a lot of used cars like me, or you're simply working on one car. It's not a bad idea to make a $20 investment. Top of your toolbox, go ahead and have a nice short clips. This one right here, we pretty much got, this is Lexus, Honda, Toyota, pretty much any clip you can imagine. Got it in this box right here. Have it, just a little bit of sweat equity. You can take a $2,600 car and give it a full facelift and really turn things around. This bumper we actually got off of Facebook Marketplace for 75 bucks. It was a different color, but that was okay. We just grabbed the closest silver we could find out of my paint drawer, painted it, no issues. And honestly, I mean, it's not a bad match. I got a pretty good eye. So we didn't even blend that fender at all. There's a little bit of a shade difference, but overall, can't really tell. And then all we did with the headlights and the fog lights was just sand them out with 800 grit, 2000 grit, 3000 grit. Squirted 2 ounces of clear on between the two of them, and they're done. They look crystal clean. We're going to be doing probably 1 or 2 more videos. We are going to be doing some actual live paint work on this car using the budget setup. But we're going to wrap it up for this video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.